Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an exciting method to share with you on how you can earn some quick cash using Google Translate. This isn't your usual transcription or blogging method. It's a unique way to make money. By the end of this video, you'll discover how to make up to $20 every 10 minutes. Yes, that's $180 an hour. And the best part? It's absolutely free and available to anyone with a PayPal account. So stay tuned to learn how you can start earning with Google Translate. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I'm here to help you maximize your online earnings. You wouldn't want to miss the next video that could change the game for you forever. Okay, let's get started. So first things first, to access the Google Translate website, all you need to do is a simple Google search. Just type in Translate and you'll spot the link to Google Translate right at the top of your search results. Click on that link and you're ready to roll. Once you land on the Google Translate page, you'll notice something quite interesting. It's remarkably user-friendly. It's like having the keys to a linguistic treasure chest at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about how to actually use it. You see, Google Translate is here to make your life a whole lot easier. Say you've got a text that you want to transform into another language. It could be anything, a phrase, a paragraph, or even a whole article. Here's how you do it. First, choose the language you want to translate from. It's like telling Google Translate, hey, this is where we're starting from. Let's say you want to go from English to French. Just pick those two languages. Next, type in the text you want to translate. For example, if you're starting with hello, you'll type that in the text box. It's the digital equivalent of saying, hey Google, work your magic on this. Now it's the moment of truth. And voila. Your text is instantly transformed into the language you selected. It's like watching a linguistic chameleon change colors right before your eyes. Now, let's uncover the enchanting world of CPAGRIP. This is where the real money-making magic happens. CPAGRIP is the platform that will be our trusty sidekick in this quest for quick cash. It's a treasure trove of opportunities waiting for you. On CPAGRIP, you'll discover a treasure chest filled with various actions that can fill your pockets with earnings. It's not just about clicking a link or providing an email. It's about unlocking opportunities and getting rewarded for them. Getting started on CPAGRIP is a piece of cake. All you need is an email address, your name, and a phone number. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to set up. For those of you who want to dive deeper into the registration process, there's another video of the walkthrough of every step, and you can find the link down in the description below. Once you're logged in, take a gander at the screen, and what you'll notice is nothing short of inspiring. People on this platform are raking in substantial earnings, and it's right there in front of you, waiting to be tapped into. Within the CPAGRIP platform, you'll find a multitude of incentive offers. And when we say multitude, we mean over 2,000 of them. These offers cover a wide range of niches and interests, giving you plenty to choose from. Your main task on CPAGRIP will involve copying referral links from specific actions within these offers. These actions could include things like clicking a link, signing up for a newsletter, or entering an email address. The moment someone interacts with these links by completing the specified action, you start earning money. It's as simple as that. You provide the link, users click or engage with it, and you earn money. The potential for earnings here is significant, especially considering the diverse range of offers available. With the right strategy, you can really start racking up those earnings. But here's where things get fascinating. Today, we're not following the herd. You see, most folks are fixated on English-speaking countries, and that's exactly why we're charting a different course. Our strategy is unique, and it's all about thinking outside the box. We're setting our sights on countries like France, Spain, Italy, and others of the sort. These are the hidden gems where the real treasure lies. You see, these countries offer higher payout rates, and here's why. They're like the unexplored territories on the treasure map. Few people venture into promoting non-English offers in these lands. That's where your golden opportunity arises. With less competition and more significant rewards, you're stepping into the world of uncharted riches. So let's hoist the sails and set our course for these lands of opportunity. Let's choose Spain for this example, since it's offering a substantial payout. Pick an offer you want to promote. Your affiliate link is the key to earning money. It's as simple as that. After getting your affiliate link, make it more user-friendly by shortening it. You can use a link shortening service like Bitly, which I will give you the link in the description below. This will make it more appealing to potential visitors. Now, it's time to drive traffic to your offer. To do this, use a platform like Traffic Ad Bar. Also check the description below for the link. It's a traffic exchange network that guarantees visitors to your link. But remember, Not all of them will complete the offer. You can expect around 10% to do so. Use this percentage to calculate your potential earnings based on the offer payout. To create an ad that truly speaks to your target audience, we're going to utilize the incredible power of Google Translate. In our case, our target audience is in Spain, so Spanish is the language of choice. First, you'll want to enter the details of your offer into Google Translate, ensuring it's accurately translated into Spanish. This step is crucial to make sure your message resonates with your Spanish-speaking audience. But that's not all. Remember to set Spain as your target country. By doing this, you're ensuring that your ad reaches the right people in the right language and in the right place. This precision is what sets you up for success. So, let's craft an ad that will capture the hearts and minds of your Spanish audience in the beautiful land of Spain. To wrap it all up, here's the essence of what we're doing. We're delving into the world of promotions from non-English speaking countries, where competition is scarce. Our focus is on those countries with lucrative payouts, and we're utilizing platforms like Traffic Ad Bar to channel traffic to our offers. The result? It's the potential for a significant income. It's all about seizing opportunities where others aren't looking, and that's precisely where our strategy thrives. So by following these steps, you're paving the way for a potentially substantial source of earnings. And that's it, a unique method to make money online using Google Translate. If you find this video interesting, kindly give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, work hard, play harder.